Dumela Nkogaye, welcome to another banger episode of Kasi Game Changers. We're joined by Chief Ralekhudu Enterprises once again, and for the month of July, we've decided to do something amazing for 67 minutes. We'll be giving away the wheelchair. Oh, and by the way, we're launching Chair on Wheels Service Center, Momomfulo. But Chief Ralekhudu is going to tell us all about that. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be game changing. Areng Bafetu, let's go.
This is Phase Music.
Game Changers, we are joined by a member of Chairman Industries who is going to, give us a broader scale of what brought him here today. So, how are you doing?
I'm doing well.
I'm awesome. Please walk us through what brought you here today.
Well, Hector came and saw us and, told us what he was doing, and he came to see about getting chairs to sponsor some of these people here and give them something, at least giving them their legs to get around. And I think his whole idea is not going out trying to sell wheelchairs. I think it was very smart that he said, no, we're going to go out and repair the wheelchairs because, it'll save people a lot of money. And we were actually, gratefully invited to the launch of their company, and it's nice being here, and I think they're going to be doing well. I actually was impressed with what happened today.
That's awesome. And what inspired this partnership that you guys have today?
Well, it's very early days, really. There's been a partnership. I travel a lot, so I'm not a lot in the office of that. I think my wife was more involved with Hector and getting it all put together, so she could tell you more about that. But I think it's early days, and we'll see how we move forward from here.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
I see you talking a lot about Hector. So I'm guessing he's been playing a big role within this giveaway that's been happening today.
He was the person pushing everybody to get things done.
Yeah.
So yes, Hector did play a big part in this. Yes,
All right.
I think so.
And for those that are watching at home, could you just tell us a little more about your company and how you go about when it comes to wheelchair repairing and servicing, of course?
We actually manufacture wheelchairs.
Oh.
We're the manufacturers.
Even better.
And we do, we import wheelchairs, but we also manufacture sort of active chairs. That's performance chairs and also sports chairs. I'm sure you guys have watched wheelchair basketball.
Yeah.
Well, 90% of those chairs you see on the court was manufactured by my company,
Oh.
So we do tennis chairs, dancing chairs, so we manufacture a lot of other things as well.
And you've been doing it for how many years now?
Well, I've been involved with the disabled people since 1977, before you were born.
Yeah, no, that's...
Okay, and I've been involved in the manufacturing of wheelchairs and that since 2003.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And you're still here today?
And I'm still here today.
And for those who are watching at home, where can we, of course, find you?
I think if they just think about wheelchairs, Chairman Industries, it's easy to remember.
All right. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Enjoy your day further.
And enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Game Changers, we are joined by Chief Ralekhudu himself, Zeg Mashishi, Otorblela. What inspired today's workshop? Zeg, my brother, Shafuzet.
Hola.
Okay. I'm easy, man. I'm easy, man. We're here today, Rico Chairs on Wheels.
Yeah.
Walk us through it, man. What inspired this? What's been happening? Educator. Today we're here. What's going on?
As you remember, Ash, we want to grow. We have to grow.
Yeah.
So actually we started now a new company called Chairs on Wheels, whereby we brought some players. We have 4 companies under it, which is myself, Chief Ralekhudu Enterprises. We have Wheels for Change under Tammy. We have Golden Gates under Andrew, and we have also Rivoni as a training center. So we have just partners. We just partnered to build one brand. That's our main goal, is to train and to create employment for disabled individuals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's been a journey.
It has been.
It's been a journey.
Yeah.
Phela nalo wena re tswa fair blind. What's it?
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know.
yeah.
And I've been loving the growth, seeing the way you've been going about things.
Yes, yes.
What have you been doing differently from when you started?
And all of it has been marketing. Sponsors are coming, you know. And the good thing about the whole thing is that my two mentees, they are part of this. They are part of the company also.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have absorbed them.
Re bua ka
They
Nthabi le Bonolo.
Nthabi le Bonolo. But then they are part of the whole of the company also. They are shareholders on that.
They're the shareholders.
Yeah.
No, that's awesome. That's fantastic. And where are they today?
Unfortunately, they are caught up. And today is just a launch. It's
Yeah.
not an opening. Our opening is coming soon in September. Today it was just a launch. And as we have to also do what we said we wanted to do in Mandela Day,
Yeah.
we have given also out the wheelchairs for individuals that we promised.
Yeah.
Yeah, as donations.
Let's go more into that. How are you feeling about today? The
feel-
level of
I
excitement.
feel so good. I think maybe you'll see Granny.
Yeah.
Yeah, how she's happy.
Yeah.
And remember the last time when we were with her, we donated her a walking frame.
Yes.
So today it was the day for her to get that wheelchair.
Yeah.
She's so happy, and she's very happy.
Yeah, and this is all about emotion. This is all about emotion. This is all about being a game changer.
Yes.
I'm
yes.
starting to feel that sense of game changer, Chief Zeg, you know? And batho bano ba etsetsa ntho e ntle. And I know people are watching out there thinking, hey, is he just going to do this for today and then utlo ba siya ba lenga? Are you going to be following up, Libona? What's the procedure after this giveaway today?
We're gonna be following up. We are actually being the center also that will be servicing all those chairs that we donated today.
Yeah.
Looking after those people that they've been issued the wheelchairs to. So the center here will start working on building a relationship with all these individuals that have managed to get wheelchairs today from the center.
Yeah. And what I understand, you guys are the only people by Etsang servicing and repairing.
Now there's a lot of companies all over, but yes, our one is very unique. It's very unique because of it has people with disability in it. Yeah, it has people with disability in it. It has people who have a vision that I have, people who want to see empowerment of people with disability, especially those using wheelchairs in the townships.
Of course. Yeah. And Kasi needs to look out for Kasi.
Kasi looks out, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And what words do you have, Vele, for Baba Shebileng Kontlu to encourage them to do more of this?
Guys, we're open now for partnership. Whoever wants to come and partner with us, we are open. We are open for whoever who wants to come to sponsor or to be part of the bigger thing. They are welcome to come.
That's the way to go.
That's the way to go.
That's the way forward. That's the game changer
game
way.
changer, yeah.
You know, Zeg Mashishi, Santan Rlalewena, ke batla re find out more about this movement. I want to join Thami le ena ke utlwe gore what does he have to say now that he's partnered le wena?
Yeah.
Game changers. Re tla bona no after the break as we'll be joined by Thami to walk us through Chairs on Wheels and tell us gore how did this partnership come about. See you after the break.